You ever feel like if people really knew your story, they'd pick up stones? That's where she was. Thrown in the dirt, surrounded and exposed, caught in the act. They said no way out. And everybody's waiting for Jesus to agree. But instead, he bends down and starts writing in the dirt. Then he stands up and says, "Let the one without sin throw the first stone." And just like that, the stones start dropping. One by one, step by step, nothing but silence, until it's just him and her. And he looks at her and says, "Neither do I condemn you. Not guilty, not finished, not too far gone, forgiven." So stop living like your past still has a vote when Jesus already made the final call.